morning to you. As you are setting out, you may have some sunshine, especially if you're driving eastward. If you're driving westward, you will probably not have as much sun in your eyes, but later this afternoon, you will. So everybody's going to need sunglasses before the day is over with. This morning, it's cloudy in many spots here in the Piedmont. Our eastern counties are fairly clear. You're getting some high, thin clouds moving in. We have a very chilly breeze outside, and it's going to get windier as the day goes on, so be ready for that. A blustery day. We're still going to deal with some clouds in our skies by lunchtime, but just after lunch, we start to clear things out. And we're expecting to end the day with mostly sunny skies and, yes, very breezy but mild conditions outside. Right now, well, it's not mild at all. We have low 30s here in the Triad, upper 20s in our western and southern counties. To the north, low to mid 30s, and in our mountains, this is a good indicator of what's happening in the atmosphere. 43 in Jefferson and 37 in Sparta. Warmer up here than it is down in the Piedmont. That's an indication of warm air coming in, and that's part of the big air mass that's going to be pushed into North Carolina later today. Of course, warm air likes to rise, so it's sitting pretty up in the mountains, and we're going to have a nice little increase in our highs today, up to 50 degrees. Right now, well, the wind chill is in the 20s in Greensboro and Burlington. It feels like 23 to 26 degrees. Wind chills are similar to the actual temperature outside in our western counties. 28 is what it feels like in Siler City. It feels like 27 in Mocksville, but that actually is the temperature right now. And winds in Guilford County, especially between 10 and 12 miles per hour. Other than Guilford County, most of our winds are here below 10 miles per hour, 9-mile-per-hour winds there in Asheboro. Clouds continue to roll across our skies, and these clouds, of course, are not going to be around all day. They're going to be actually thinning out quite nicely in the afternoon. So enjoy mostly sunny skies as you're driving home and even into the dinner hour. We're going to have mostly clear skies. A cold front's working its way into North Carolina, so that's what's bringing in those highs near 50 in the Triad, mid 50s down towards Raleigh and the coast. And behind our front, we're going to chill right back down again. Below normal by quite a lot, about 9 degrees below normal tomorrow as cool air settles in, and that will be the case also for Friday. Today, breezy. Winds are going to be sustained up to 18 miles per hour, wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour. But at least we'll end the day with some sunshine and highs around 50. Mid-40s Thursday and Friday, and then topsy-turvy temperatures for the beginning of next week. We'll go from 54 on Saturday to 16 degrees Monday morning.